Good morning, everybody. Today is the first full week of stock market, no holiday, and we have another holiday actually coming up on Monday. Um, January 12th is market is closed again. So let's see what's going on. There's lots of stuff. Focus our semis today and Boeing. And ES pre-market went down. At the beginning it jumped, then it went down, and now it's recovering. Pre-market right now, five nothing special, but 15:30, 1 hour is upward, and the 4 hour last night MACD, we got a golden cross after the market closed on Friday, and daily is still downward, but I like that the statistic fast is golden cross. Weekly we still don't have a dark blue bar, but the statistic fast is a little bit curving down. So we are still hovering around 4700 on SPX. So keep an eye on that one. If we pass 4700, we're looking at 4716. Again, a key level can come. But Friday was a lot yo-yo. So keep in mind, it's possible it still be a yo-yo. With the 4 hour golden cross, 4 hour MACD golden crossing on many names, it's possible to have a big green day this week, and it's all about CPI. CPI, it's the biggest data that is coming this week, so that's the biggest effect can have on market. NQ pre-market right now 15:30, 1 hour is upward, 4 hour golden cross upward, 1 hour daily is still downward pointing down, but the statistic fast got a golden cross, so it's possible again have some bounce up. But again, just keep in mind, bears are selling every repop, so be cautious holding anything long until the daily is curved up. And yeah, so Dow Jones is the most reddish index today because of Boeing, but pre-market right now 15:30, 1 hour is upward, and it actually held up compared to other indexes, but right now is pulling back. So we'll see what the Boeing is gonna do. And on top of that, Dow Jones have 30 components, so if others run up, they can make up the Boeing losses. Anyhow, RUT 4 hour MACD golden cross, so it's holding up for now. It came and touched down 200 MA SMA on the daily, but it's bouncing up. So right now that's what's holding for now. TNX 40 is still in the danger zone, 40.42. That's a big point. If it goes above that, 41.68 is the next level. If pulls back, market can rip up higher. If it goes higher, can cause trouble for market. Weekly is still down, daily upward, and the 4 hour we got dark blue bar. So if you see TNX pull back, keep an eye on it. If you see it goes up, 41.68 is the next target. If it pulls back, 38.75 is the target. DXY. DXY pre-market is showing some weaknesses. 4 hours already dead cross. Daily is still in the golden cross mode, and weekly downwards. So there's a mixed signal. 102.523, 102.251. Those are the two key levels to watch. Breaks either one can make a bigger effect on market. Wix 3.5% higher. Daily upward. Weekly is curved up. It was yellow last week, but again on Friday it was yellow, but again turned to red. So we'll see what's gonna be. Today is already red too, so we'll see. But you can see the MACD is curved up. So keep an eye on weeks. If 1479 passes this week anytime on any news or any catalyst or anything, it's gonna be trouble for market. Anytime it goes below 1373, next target is 1307. Below that, market gets squeezy up. BTC 2% higher. It seems like this ETF is gonna get final approval. What I don't understand is, there's already some ETF out there, but it seems like the more ETF comes, the better. But anyhow, daily MACD is not golden cross yet. Once it confirms, BTC can go for another leg up and crazy higher. Maybe 50K comes. Pre-market right now 15 to 30, 1 hour, 4 hour is upward. So we'll see if it's gonna break 47 anytime this week. So that's a key level to watch. Apple, it was very weak on Friday, and the news came and it dumped, and then right now deep buyers coming in again. Weekly, just the weakness is still there. Weekly MACD is about to have a dead cross. We have dark blue bar. Daily is very bearish, but pre-market right now 15:30, 1 hour, 4 hours upward. So in order to have a bounce up, need to pass 183.2. If it goes anytime below 180 or 179.51, it's going to be trouble. Otherwise, consolidation ahead between these two levels, 179 and 183.2. Amazon 4 hour got a golden cross. It was very weak last week. Daily and weekly are very bearish downward. Weekly we got dark blue bar. Is hovering around 145.71 for now. In order to run up, need to pass 146.85 to run up to 148 on higher level. Those are higher level. If it can hold 145, if it pass 144.91, then it can go for a dump again 143, 141. Pre-market again 15:31 hours upward. So we'll see if it's gonna have a jump up at open. Nvidia is the hottest name pre-market. Pre-market right now 15:30 is upward. 1 hour got a dead cross this pre-market, but again got a golden cross and it jumped up. It was opening down and 487 was a big support. It bounced off of it on the Friday and then it went to 491, and this morning again 487 touch. It went below it and bounced back up. So right now 4 hour is still very bullish, and any dip is possible to run up. Until the 4 hour we don't have a dark blue bar, there still is chance to have a new all-time high this week. Weekly, daily we got a stochastic fast upward. Weekly stochastic fast is dead crossing, which is not good, but it's still bullish on the TTM squeeze. So keep an eye on the 470 497. That's the high pre-market. If it can pass that one, if you see a jump, we're looking at 498.51, 501.37. 501 is a key level. 501 and 503.86. Those are the two key levels you want to watch. Once it passes 501 is target if it jumps. But if it passes 503.86, the next is 507, 511.9. If it gets very crazy this week, 518, 523, and 528.93 is the next target. Again, if you see it right now, 5 minutes MACD is dead cross. So if it doesn't jump at open, and if you see it goes below 493 and 15 and 30 MACD dead crosses, 493, if it can hold it, retest 491, 489, 487. AVGO, if Nvidia goes, this one can tag along. 1055 is a key level to watch. Past that one can run up to the higher level. If Nvidia pulls back and this one goes below 1040, then it's gonna be in trouble and can go lower levels. 4 hour is near golden cross. Daily and weekly is still bearish, but a 4 hour golden cross has chance for run up. Baba gap down 7103, 7108 is support, big support. If it can hold it, if it's 70 passes, then it's in a big trouble and can go retest lower level again. 70 was low of this year, and I mean this season, last few months. So if it goes below that, it's gonna be in big trouble. But keep an eye on 1 hour and 4 hour. If 1 hour and 4 hour golden crosses, MACD golden crosses, can go for another jump up. Netflix 2 points lower, 1 point lower, hovering between two levels, 471 and 474.8, up and down. 4 hours still in the golden cross mode. The weekly is still bearish, bullish, and we have earning coming up, but daily is pointing down. So there is a mixed signal. 474 passes, we can run up to 479, 484. If 471 can hold it, 467, 463, 461. Meta. Daily MACD is dead cross, weekly is kind of flat, but TTM squeeze very bullish. Mixed signal pre-market, 5 is dead crossing. Right now, 15 is up, 30 flat, 1 hour flat, so not a clear signal what's gonna go happen. Two key levels to watch is 350 and 354. If 354 35 passes, we're looking at the 355, 356, and 357 next target. Above that can go to 362. If 350 can hold it, retest 347, 345. Tesla, 4 hours golden cross finally, but I don't like that. We got a red bar on daily, and we have again red bar on weekly, and weekly MACD is dead crossing. And so two key levels to watch is 235, 237 this morning. 15 and 30 is upward, 1 hour same thing. So if 237.9 can pass, we're looking at 239.84, 242, 246.1. If 235 can hold it, 233, 232.15, those are the next support there. But I like it at the 4 hours golden cross, but in general, not a good long play right now because daily and weekly are not pointing bullish. Microsoft The 4 hours golden cross, we got a red bar on daily. Weekly, we got the first dark blue bar last week, and most likely we'll have it again, that the dark blue bar this week. So two key levels to watch is 368 and 369.89. If 370 can passes, we're looking at 371, 373, 375, 76. If 368 can hold it, we're looking at 366, 365 next levels to watch. Google, 4 hour, still nothing bullish about it. Daily MACD is dead cross. There was some big call flows coming in last week, but unfortunately they failed and went lower. And weekly, we got dark blue bar, and earning season is getting close. 135.59 is a major level. If it can hold it, we're looking at 134, 132, 130, 192. If 136.48 passes, we're looking at 137, 139.36. Pre-market mixed signal, 15:30, 1 hour is upward, so it's all about opening action. AMD got some tagging along Nvidia right now, and I think I got an upgrade. So 140.76. Yeah, if there's any symbol, let me know. 170.46. If it passes, we're looking at 142.72. If 142.72 passes, we're looking for a crazy squeeze up. 143, 145, 146.87. 15 is up, 31 hours upward, 4 hours very bullish, and daily is still pointing down, but I like the stochastic fast golden crossing, and weekly is still super bullish. So just keep an eye on the semis. This opening is gonna be crazy probably. If you see 15:30 MACD dead cross, 138, 137, 58 is the next support. Boeing, the hottest, craziest one that happened over the weekend. Here's the thing about Boeing. Boeing, whenever bad news happens, a lot of times recovers and go higher. But this one is really bad news. I mean, opening a door and grounding of the airplanes, it's not good at all. So there is a small chance maybe it recovers, but most likely won't. So pre-market right now, 5 is down. 30 is still not golden cross. 1 hour, 4 hour pointing down, and most likely we're gonna have a weekly dark blue bar on the weekly TTM squeeze. So key level to watch is 226. If 226.13 passes, we're looking at 223.2 to come, and if 223 can hold it, next levels are 218, 214, 211. And if it gets very crazy this week and it dumps more, we're looking at 208. 57, 205.2, and 203.11. If really goes crazy and they have to fix a lot of airplanes and everything, 200 is not impossible to come this week. Anyhow, that's about Boeing, and until the 1 hour, 4 hour is not golden cross, don't expect a major bounce up. 30 is not golden cross yet, but if 1 hour golden cross, then it can go for recovery. Key for recovery is 235.61. SPY, pre-market 15:30, 1 hour is upward, 4 hour golden cross, 468.47. If it can pass that one, we're looking at 470 and 471.77. Those are the next target levels for uprise. If 467.45 can hold it, 465, 464, and 463.13. Those are the next levels. QQQ, 4 hour again golden cross that one. So pre-market 15:30, 1 hour is upward. So pre-market high is almost 398. So 398, if it can passes, we're looking at 399 and 401.54 as the next target levels. If 396.46 again breaks, we're looking at 394.89. Below 395, if this week's breaks, those are the next target levels. So those are the major names. IWM is recovering a little bit. 4 hours golden cross, need to get above 193.97 for a run up. But in general, daily is downward. Coin 5 points higher thanks to BTC uprise. So 158.77 if it passes 161.39. Above that, 163, 167, 171. MSTR, it went up, but then it pulled back again. So there's a lot of put. I saw a lot of put on Friday coming in on Thursday too, because daily MACD is dead crossing. So just keep that in mind. If BTC goes up, MSTR can go up, but keep in mind MSTR went up too much the last few weeks. So I'm not sure if this is priced in already for a Bitcoin or not. So just keep in mind there is a lot of puts came in there. So Yeah. Anyhow, Adobe 4 hours MACD golden, not golden cross yet. So if it golden cross, then it has chance for run up, but daily and weekly is still very bearish there. LLY made a new all-time high last week, but 4 hours dead crossing right now. Need to pass 623 for run up. If it goes below 619, support 614, 612. LRCX, keep an eye on that one. If 4 hours near golden crossing, 740 passes, 746, 743 next target there. Bidu gap down there, 4 hours dead cross. This one is still very bullish on weekly and daily, but yeah, I don't like the gap down, so we'll see. These Chinese names are difficult to play. ABNB 4 hours still strong, 137, 138, 48, those are the next target there. JP Morgan has an earning coming up on this Friday. Daily MACD is dead crossed and dead crossing right now and is all-time high. So we'll see if it's gonna pass this 173.65 major level and go crazy higher, or no, it's gonna pull back. We'll see. I mean, to be honest, I'm not sure about what's gonna be the earning of this week, this season for the banks. To SMCI, if Nvidia goes, this one can tag along. 296.85 key level, past 301, 306 in the target level. What else? Pan W 4 hours golden cross, so it's opening above 283. If 286 passes, 290.41 is the next target. PayPal is showing a lot of strength these days, and especially it was very strong on Friday. 260.38 passes to a 61. I'm sorry, 60.38 passes. We're looking at 61.23, 62.09, and 62.76 next target. Snow. Clouds are getting strong again. 192, 196 is the next target there. MDB a little bit strong, so need to pass 373, and then it can go for a crazy run up to 383 and 393. What else? QCOM 4 hours golden cross. 138 is a key level. Past that one, 140 and higher level. And TSM same thing, 4 hours golden cross. A lot of semis 4 hour MACD is golden cross, so keep an eye on semis. CRWD 4 hours gap up. 253 is the next key level to watch. Past that one, 255, 258, not too far from all-time high again. Maybe goes for another one. Crocs crazy jump up. 98.21 is the next target. Past that one, we're looking at 103.63. If it passed that one, we're looking at 111, 121. ENPH, a lot of people are talking about rates going down, so solar companies can benefit a lot about it. 4 hours golden cross, 121 if it passes, 124, 128. All right, that's pretty much on everything. So um, Zim, I'm not sure if I missed. There was maybe a news or something. It was okay pre-market, then suddenly at 8 a.m. it starts dumping. So, oh yeah, I saw a news that they're making the carriers for the shipping companies. They're making an agreement with Houthis. So if they say, okay, we're not gonna attack anymore, blah blah blah, it's not gonna be good for Zim. So that's just keep in mind for about Zim. JP Morgan, I went over it, and thank you, Jose, and thank you so much for tuning in, and have a beautiful, lovely day. Keep an eye on the semis.